Hi, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can set your LinkedIn account to private mode. So that way, when you go and view somebody else's profile, it doesn't come up with that whole Shelley Shulman has viewed your profile. It will just come up as anonymous member. So that means perhaps if you want to block somebody, they won't get a notification that you viewed their profile to go over and do it. Here's how it's done. So it's a simple setting. Once you're in LinkedIn, you want to go over to me, the little picture at the top, go to settings and privacy. Down the left-hand side, you want to go to visibility. And then at the top here, it will say profile viewing options. And you'll have the option of your name and headline, private profile characteristics, or private mode. So if you put private mode on, it will disable who's viewed your profile and erase your viewing history, and others will just see that a LinkedIn member has viewed their profile. So that is a really handy tip if you want to go and look at other people's profiles, or you just want to maybe delete and block somebody, but you don't want them to see that they've gone onto your profile to do it.